Hey, so I wanted to take a second to tell you about the rivets on the bus and the method I found to be the best for taking them off. Just real quick, I'm going to be lifting the bus up. I'm going to be putting some new metal in, and I'm going to be reattaching it where the current rivets are so that I can prevent water from getting in and get a good solid seal on the bus. So I got to remove the current rivets off so that I can put something on to attach it later. Originally I thought this process was going to be pretty easy. I got on a ladder this morning with a drill and a drill bit and started drilling on it, and it was really a lot more difficult than I expected. So I started going through some different methods. I tried a metal chisel and a hammer on the inside and doing some things like that. My inside's exposed because I've already removed the sealing and the insulation, so I can see the back parts of the rivets here just looking at them. After a lot of different things, trying and working on stuff, I actually ended up with my oscillating multi-tool with a metal bit on, and what I did was I turned the metal bit to an angle, and now I can get it right inside here along the side of the roof and wall where the rivet's at, and I can just cut the back side of the rivet right off. And then, so I can go through and do an entire window section, for example, in just a couple of minutes and get them all cut off. And then all I got to do is grab my punch and a hammer and I can pop all the rivets right out. It's really fast, really easy. It's not sitting out on a ladder in the hot sun, moving the ladder from rivet to rivet, holding down on it. A lot of hard work there. So this is the easiest way I found it, and I think it's
Hi, Noelle.
Hi.
Hi. How you like our bus? You like our? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. There.
Yeah. How did you help with the bus?
Three.
Did you pick up the screws?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you really helpful?
There.
Yeah. Oh, you want to sit there? Hurry, get up there, sit down. I gotta talk to you. What's your name?
You.
No.